I'm Ian Clark with Activation Products, here today with an exciting announcement of a new product that we have called Perfect Immune. This product has taken many years to become a part of our new product line. We don't just take products in easily. It takes a large amount of due diligence to find out whether or not it delivers the results. We found many products that had lots of scientific documentation behind them, but they didn't deliver. We cannot have anything except for exceptional products for all of our customers because we sell direct to consumer, number one, and number two, what we want for us is what we want for you. This is made from Pelargonium pseudoides. You've never heard of it because it is almost unknown. Now the story behind this one is really cool because it comes from South Africa. It's been around for thousands of years. It's a wild growing plant, a geranium, that comes from the top mountains in the most harsh conditions where this super hardy plant grows, and it's a sustainable plant. When they harvest it, they take from the root of the plant. They take half of the root, they take 5 to 6 shavings from the rest of the root and replant it. So it is a permaculture production. You never run out of this stuff. They can produce for millions and billions of people. When you take just the tiniest amount of the extract from this root, it supports your body's ability to fight off infections, either infections that are already in your body or infections that could potentially come at you or an infection that you have that is bothering you in an acute manner. So the best time to take the product is every single day. That keeps all of the pathogens and the different contaminants and the different contagions at bay. The best way to learn about this is to get it and consume it and have it show you what it does in your own body. So Perfect Immune, a brand new activation product that is coming out to support your life to have a higher quality every single day going forward.